Hello everybody and welcome to Mentor Plus. In this video we will talk about top 5 highest merit states for MBBS seats. इसका क्या मतलब है कि 5 वैसे स्टेट जहाँ पे मेरिट बहुत हाई जाती है, सबसे हाई जाने वाली मेरिट जहाँ पे कंपटीशन बहुत टफ रहता है, कट ऑफ हाई जाती है MBBS के लिए, ठीक है। एंड आई अर्ज यू टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल इफ़ यू न्यू, क्योंकि इस चैनल पे आपको ऑथेंटिक और जो काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस से रिलेटेड वीडियो हैं सारे अपडेट आपको मिलेंगे। स्टेट वाइज काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस कैसे होती है, उसका क्या लास्ट ईयर का स्टैटिस्टिक्स है, यू विल गेट टू नो अबाउट दोज थिंग्स एज वेल. We do provide paid services as well, and right now we are giving discount of 20% once you avail the paid service. और इस पेड सर्विस में गवर्नमेंट, प्राइवेट, डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटीज़, बोथ डोमिसाइल एंड नॉन डोमिसाइल स्टेट काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस के लिए आपको गाइडेंस दिया जाएगा. एंड वी विल प्रोवाइड द गाइडेंस अनटिल यू गेट द सीट. If you are looking for private, then in your budget. If you are looking for government, then any good government college. And there is no risk of year wastage. We will able to confirm that after we analyze your score and all your preferences about location and all other related to your category and all other things. So let's jump to the main section of the video, wherein we will discuss what are the 5 states or those states where students need to focus more on studies, because there the competition is so high that if your competitor or the students preparing with you, he or she scores like 1 mark more, then he will or she will get the seat and you will not get the seat. So the first state is New Delhi. All the colleges you find in New Delhi are very good colleges. Is India's capital, and there are multiple reasons why the competition is high here. There are good coaching facilities available, and those students who are based out in Delhi have their very good curriculum background, study their studies done from good schools. That's why they have very sound coverage and knowledge about their topics, and their concepts are clear. That's why the cutoff goes high. Okay. And the expected cutoff you can expect to have between 630 to 635. That will be highest for government colleges if you go through state counseling process. दूसरे नंबर पे you can find Kerala. There also competition is high, and with just a difference of few ranks you can miss a seat. So you have to well alert before, and before the examination, as many days you have remaining in that 40-45 days, you have to put your extra effort so that you get best out of the possibilities you may have. And cutoff you can expect between 625 to 630. There are states where the cutoff is less than 600, so you can see the difference of 25 to 30 marks. So you have to prepare well for Kerala. And the third state where the competition is high is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a state where there are plenty of coaching institutes. So candidates coming from Rajasthan study in coaching institution, and that's why their preparation is, the level of their preparation is better than the candidates from other states, and that's why the competition gets high. They score high, still they don't get the seat. So cutoff you can expect in Rajasthan 615 to 620. 615 से 620 के बीच में राजस्थान में आपको सीट मिल जाएगी गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस में, अगर स्टेट काउंसलिंग से जाते हैं तो. अगर इसमें नहीं मिलती है तो उसमें सेमी गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस भी हैं. अगर आपका डोमिसाइल राजस्थान है उसमें आपको भी 580 575 तक में सीट मिल जाती है सेमी गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस में. 4th नंबर पे बिहार स्टेट है. जहाँ के कैंडिडेट्स, जहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ़ कॉलेजेस कम है और नंबर ऑफ़ स्टूडेंट्स ज़्यादा रहते हैं, और उन स्टूडेंट्स के माइंडसेट ऐसा रहता है कि चाहिए ही चाहिए, एंड दे डू द प्रिपरेशन फॉर मेनी ईयर्स, दे डू ड्रॉप द ईयर्स. That's why the cutoff goes high, and it's keep on. The trend is from like last few years that they are giving high competition. So you need to have a score between 610 to 615 in order to get a seat in government colleges through a state counseling. Now let's see, the fifth state is Uttar Pradesh. Number of applicants is huge from this state, and same funda as Bihar, and the cutoff you can expect 610. So these are the 5 states, and other than these you can see Haryana and West Bengal, Tamil Nadu also. The cutoff is getting higher from Tamil Nadu. So these are the states where you can expect you need to put extra effort in your preparation so that you can score the best possible score as per your ability, and then you can have the confirmation about seat in government colleges. So when I see 635 in Delhi, 625 to 630 in Kerala, 620 around in Rajasthan, 610 to 615 in Bihar, and 610 in Uttar Pradesh. So it will be last marks on which you will get a seat. So if you are looking for better medical colleges, then you need to have better, higher score than these cutoff scores. Okay, so that's it from my side, and I will be coming back with some other important videos. Until then, you subscribe the channel, and you can share the links with your friends. This channel is separated out from NEET Mentor, and on the NEET Mentor we are just putting PG related video, and on this Mentor Plus I will be putting all EG related videos, so there is no confusion and you don't get updates related to unwanted videos. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a nice day. All the best for your preparation. Good luck.